Good morning, dear student. Dear student, yesterday I gave to you some homework, puzzle time and fun do. So you did. So today we'll discuss about the puzzle time question and fun do question. Okay, so best student, that task completed, so match from my answer, and which is not completed, so that one completed to the question answer. Okay, yes, we'll do first puzzle time. Look, puzzle time question is here. Some diagram here. So first draw the diagram. M O U L S. Okay, and three, four. One, two, three. So look student, complete your design. Okay, student, first question is here, second here, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, student. So first question, it is pointing device used to select object. So your answer is mouse. Okay, student. And here some fill the word for M O M O T H E R B O A here A and here D and here H R and here P and here I and here E B P. Okay, so that's your help. Word is completed. First question, it is pointing device used to select object. So the answer is mouse. Okay. And second question, it is used to send message, send image and text directly into printer. So which device used for that work? Scanner. Okay. SCANNER, scanner. Okay. And third question, a large board inside the system unit. So motherboard. Mother, BOARD. Okay, student. So a large board inside the system unit, motherboard. And fourth question, the storage device fixed inside the CPU. So answer is hard disk. Okay, student, hard disk device fixed inside the CPU. And your fifth question, it gives the hard copy. So printer, okay, printer gives us to hard copy, and which gives us to soft copy? Monitor. Okay, student? Yes. So hard copy gives to printer and soft copy gives to monitor. Okay. And sixth question, it has a small button called keys on it. So that's keyboard. Okay, student? Keyboard has a small button called keys on it. And last question of this crossword, it is very small portable device. It is very small portable device. So here is 7 option. So fill the pen, drive. Okay, student, complete your crossword question answer. Clear? Any problem? Complete. Okay, and that's puzzle A. Okay, student, and puzzle B. Here are some pictures. Okay, student, here are some pictures: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU and printer. And try to find out the names of different devices of a computer from the grid. Grid, that means many column and row. Fill the sum word. Okay, different column and row, and different have a word. Okay, student. Suppose first we will take this design keyboard. So where the keyboard? So student, you have any idea in this picture? So that means, look here, keyboard. So key, this line KEYBOARD. Yes, so this is fill the circle by pencil. Okay, student? Yes. Fill this circle just this type. Okay? Yes. And second, mouse. So look here, mouse. Okay? And CPU. So here CPU. Okay, student? And fourth figure is monitor. So monitor is here. Monitor. Yes, here. MONITOR. Okay, monitor in first column. And last, printer. So printer, look here. So just circle the box. Okay, student? Clear? Puzzle section A and B, and your last activity, fun do. Okay, student? So look, here are many different parts and equipment name in a circle. Okay, so and here 4 category. So that's fun do A. Categorize the following into their different categories. So here are four part. So that's input device, input devices, that's second processing unit and storage device, and last output devices here. Yes, and in a circle some name. So you will find which name is suitable for that option. So look, input device. So you fill the input device box. Keyboard is here. Keyboard is here. So keyboard. Mouse here, and scanner is here. and joystick is here, and last input device light pen. Okay, and processing unit, system unit, motherboard and CPU. System unit, motherboard and CPU. CPU full form central processing unit. Okay, and storage device floppy disk and CD and last pen drive. Okay, and output device monitor, printer and speaker. Okay, student, clear? Yes. So all the name in a circle. So here are many different categories. So we will find which device for the particular box. Okay, student, clear? Input device. So input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, processing unit, system unit, motherboard, CPU. Okay, and storage devices: floppy disk, CD, pen drive. Output devices: monitor, printer, speaker. That's complete. Okay. Yes, and look at the various parts of the computer and write their name. Okay, students, so we will start from the top side. Okay, student, so your next question: look at the various parts of the computer and write the their name. So this indicate here for CPU. Okay, so you fill here CPU, and here top monitor. This line indicate to that diagram. So the name of this diagram monitor. Okay, and here speaker. And then after this one is joystick. Okay, and this one is a mouse. So you fill that one mouse first, and then after joystick. Joystick, and then after this one figure indicate to the keyboard, and this one is microphone. And this one same, so right here speaker. Okay, so complete your fun do. Okay, and this one is a B. Okay, student. Yes, so complete your chapter 2, and next chapter computer software. So we will read in next class. So first of all you will complete the second chapter. Okay, in your book and learn the question answer also. Have a good day, student. Thank you.